Hey everyone, welcome back. This is the final video of the Train Expert channel today on this Wednesday. If I can find the date. June 22nd, 2022. We're getting ready to close out with the train video today here on the Train Expert channel. I gotta thank the Quality Inn Resorts for doing the train videos today. I'm gonna move the cameras closer right now. I gotta thank the Quality Inn for anyway. I gotta thank the Quality Inn for doing all the trains on those. And I gotta thank the Intermodal Wax Place for doing the excuse me, for doing the grain hopper, for the push and pull grain hopper trains. I had a push and pull train last time here on the Train Expert channel. It was and and I gotta thank the middle school for the train, for getting the train at the end today. I wasn't sure after I got the train out of the middle school. I thought I was gonna say on to the next video, roll it. Instead, I decided to get off and get back on with the next train. And also we gotta thank Burger King for the lunches for the last time, we did that for the second to the last thing before we got off. And then I gotta thank Dollar General for getting a gallon of milk as well. And then we're supposed to get cappuccino, but they didn't have any of it at all, so we didn't have time to go. We probably didn't have time. We probably won't have time to go to. We didn't have time to go to Walmart, so we just went to Dollar General only. We'll have to wait until we find somebody to get that. If not, we'll get that Friday after the eye appointment. But I'm not going to be sure we're going to be doing any trains on Friday. All depends on the clients, plus the work at the hospital. As far as the morning is concerned. So again, we're may or may not going to be getting any train videos on Friday. If not, I'm going to have to find a different spot if there isn't any, but usually the trains are done usually around 5 o'clock, but they were done for the day around 1 o'clock because they only run like one car today and that was it. We didn't get no gates going down today at the Oil Creek Plastics. The only crossings we had to use is the lightless crossings today between between the middle school and the Bayless Fuel. Yep.
How much did you pay for your groceries? Can I get you 100 right here? I'll give it to you right here. There you go.
I was talking. We had a new subscriber was on my live chat last night on the second of two premieres yesterday on the Train Expert channel. And his name is Dominic, the MBTA, the CSX rail fanner is what it is. I haven't talked to the rail. I found him on the premiere on the B&H Productions page, I should say. Used to be it's Blaine Hooks, now it's B&H Productions right now. How many videos? Oh, how many videos we did? We did 22 videos today. We did we did we got I did 15 videos on the good phone. Even for those guys. And 7.
Don't miss tech gear for the family. Only at Kohl's. You'll get quality activewear starting at just $15. The best part? It's deals as good as it looks. More style, more savings.
Dad just coming home right now.
Motherfucker.
Yeah, it is a heat wave here. Yeah, it's supposed to get 90s, but it's supposed to drop tonight into the 50s.
Hot. Holy fucking
Liquid liner goes hyper easy with hyper easy liquid liner from Meadville, New York. Flex tip for no skips. Hexagonal grip won't slip. Skip the struggle, not the line. Hyper easy brush tip liquid liner only from Meadville.
No, this is no, we just did 22. I was saying is there was 22 videos. We did 4 light powers, actually Yes, 4 light powers. 22 minus 4. 22 minus 4. 2. Can't take 2 from 4. Gotta borrow.
Won't wear pants. We'll eat and go walk. Get your wins where you can. When you Lego, win.
Oh, become a 1. So it's 15 minus. Or should be 12 minus 4. 4. I'm gonna calculate. I'm gonna excuse me here, and I'm gonna get the calculator right now on my phone. So you'll excuse me. I'll set the camera down here and find the calculator. Oh, that's calendar. I don't want calendar. Calculator.
How much have you guys spent? Leah, please make this deal. Give me some meat, some fish, anything. Barbecue sauce. I'll give you 60.
Maybe in just a couple minutes, I'm gonna get at least the Price is Right or Wheel on. Remember, we have 3 shows on tonight.
Did you make some money? Okay, what do we got?
Oh, I have some sweet potato fries. Hot.
Teriyaki. That could just about be useful. Pineapple.
Pineapple here.
Should be useful if I had a whole pig. Hash browns.
Oh, this is nice. I can use this.
2 red onions.
18 grain hopper trains and 4 light powers is all we got today.
All right. So I have
Again, there's 20. Again, there's 18 grain hoppers
barbecue.
So I want to make Hawaiian barbecue.
and 4 light powers is all we got today.
Now, Leah seems to be leaning back.
For the
And I might
for the
but I also might not. I'm gonna take sliced mushrooms to get a little bit of a meatier vibe to my dish.
for the for today, but we're not sure if we're doing anything as far as trains on Friday. If not,
This is raining as I go.
we're gonna be on in the afternoon, or we'll see what's going on this Friday, so we know if there's anything good. We should be back with the normal hours between my eye appointment coming up plus the train videos.
Fake bean liquid and some of the beans themselves, and I'm mixing it with the sliced mushrooms for a nice meaty texture in my filling, and the beef ravioli. A little bit of onion powder, a splash of broken greens. Yeah, this is looking good. Smells like a
Yeah, make sure if you haven't already, subscribe to Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube alongside my regular channel page.
Similar. Mine is barbecue sauce. Oh, got all the same components. No barbecue sauce. I might go back.
Have anything? You make like a glaze?
I do have apricot
On my regular channel page, I don't do train videos. We just do
Chef, thank you so much.
anything. It's occasions or holidays,
Mix it together.
garbage trucks, semi-trucks,
Chili powder, some vinegar to kind of
and we also do
Really good.
It's amazing how much you can do.
and we also have pumpkin
How you looking over there?
pumpkin drawings are on there. It's on my playlist. Yeah, I knew that.
Only about 90 of
Yeah. Well, yesterday there was no heat wave. I don't know why. Yeah, I don't know why there was no heat wave yesterday, but there's now the heat wave is back. But I don't think that heat wave is not going to last long because tomorrow is supposed to get close to 80, and low is supposed to get down in the lower 50s. It's supposed to have a potential for a chance of a thunderstorm. Instead, they're not going to call for anything today until tomorrow, or we'll probably won't have a chance of rain again until, I believe, Sunday afternoon or all day Sunday, but I think it's Sunday afternoon. I got on my regular page, we just put up the severe thunderstorm warning for Ohio and Pennsylvania's had been canceled. I tried to put it on the regular page last week, but I must have shut off the microphone. Yeah, I must have shut off the microphone after I did the tablet phones. Harvest going by. We just seen 3 intermodal containers today. We found 2 Expo containers and the Evergreen container when we left the Dollar General store.
Thank you, Chef. Hello, Chef. Hi, Chef. How are you? Good. Tell us what you made, Chef. I made a grilled barbecue chicken pizza, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Well, it's beautiful, and I like how much...
Now we're done here because she said she has a meeting at Meadville today, so we just ended the train. That's a good thing we ended the trains too. They ended us and they ended the OC&T at the same time, actually.
On that combination of the apricot with the tomato sauce, that's such a great idea. I think the 2 things that are missing here is more salt and more vinegar. Great job.
It's like 80, 89, but feel like it's 97. Remember, like last week, we had nearly 100 degrees last week in the last heat wave they had on there. But
and that mustard barbecue sauce, I think, is absolutely fantastic.
But today there's supposed to be a high of 90, but lows are supposed to be down.
It was yours to lose this round, so good for you for keeping your composure and not missing it.
47 degrees.
Hi, Leah. Hello. How are you doing, Chef? Yeah. Tell us what you made. Hawaiian barbecue pineapple and hash brown potato.
You had to really reach, right?
Yep, I'm in white today.
It's got texture. It's got
You're talking about the shirt? Yep, I'm in white today.
teriyaki for you to incorporate that sticky.
I haven't worn any white in a while, so I need to get something color
Explain why you love it.
today.
And this is one of those. The only thing for me is
I closed the last video here at the house, and I'm closing a video here at the house today.
barbecue. It does tend to be
2 train events in a row.
I think the thing that would manage it a little is a little more vinegar and maybe a little
I'll let you know Friday on the Train Expert channel or on my regular channel page about we're not going to be doing anything on the trains. We'll
Stuffed cabbage barbecue. I know I'm hanging out in the wind with a stuffed cabbage dish. Give it to me straight, kid.
Is there teriyaki sauce?
Hey. Yeah, there is.
I think the cup itself is crunchy.
Okay.
I like the sauce. Whatever you put in there. Barbecue doesn't sit with me for this.
Okay.
This doesn't
I hope them
sit-
thunderstorms disappeared today in Pittsburgh. There's supposed to be another weather.
I feel like
There's supposed to be
But it's delicious and you love me.
Yeah.
Am I still an Iron Chef to you?
Yeah.
not everybody's going to get the thunderstorm forecast.
For this?
Yeah. Goodbye.
Creating barbecue flavors in general is not easy. So throw a parking lot into the mix and random ingredients from a cart, not very easy. But the person has got to hit the bricks.
I think it's just around towards Pittsburgh only. It's supposed to be getting under the getting the only day supposed to get the storms. Everything else is supposed to, any place else between here,
When did it start raining?
not till Sunday. It said Sunday. It was supposed to call today, but it must have changed it to Sunday, till Sunday. But I don't know if it's all day, but I think most likely it's in the afternoon. Yeah. Yep, it said mostly cloudy, but scattered thunderstorms in the afternoon. Also into the evening. And it's supposed to still have a chance of showers later at night. No garbage truck. No garbage trucks today.
Nothing. What are you doing?
Uh-oh. Jeez. But anyway, no garbage trucks today. But we did get 3 intermodal containers and a couple of lawnmowers today, but that was it. I got lawnmowers on the camera before, but not very often. During that CSX train, and then today here on the Oil Creek and Titusville tracks.
What the fuck did your mother want?
I don't know.
I don't know idea.
We'll see what else is reaching the triple digits besides Greenville. I know Pittsburgh's easily. But
When you become an expedient, you can instantly start saving on your troubles. So you can go and see all for less.
Your mother been out of the bedroom all day long?
no, I wasn't home until 9. Or I was home till 9 o'clock and
What time do you get home?
1. Yeah, because she has
You get milk and stuff from Mom?
Yeah, they didn't have any cappuccino, but I got at least a gallon of milk. I just didn't have the time to go to Walmart though to get that. We had the only thing we had time to get is Dollar General. Oh.
Invis is not your parents' braces. Invis is faster than braces and the clear aligner brand most trusted by doctors.
Yeah.
This is family business.
Any premiere? No premiere. I don't have any premieres tonight on any of our. I already know the regular channels already popped up, but nonetheless, there's no premieres tonight on the Train Expert channel. I already know the regular page. Already known. Well, regular page will not have premieres until next week. Between the Father's Day edition this past Sunday and the severe weather updates, but that's it. Huh?
This time you can only purchase from one single shopper. But you can look in the bags before you buy them. The theme for your second stakeout will be
No garbage trucks today.
We'll go tomorrow.
But
okay, so the theme is
I mean around town. Huh?
to be a sandwich.
Huh?
It just has to be a triple
Oh,
decker.
yeah, going tomorrow.
45 minutes and your truck
Yeah.
starts working.
Yeah. No garbage trucks around town today.
No, triple decker.
But we did have 3 intermodal containers. 2 past the house and 1 when we left Dollar General. But 2 of them had the Expo. Last week when we ended the train on last Tuesday, we had a CSX truck went by. Because I couldn't see the letters didn't do good, but I could still see it.
$20 worth of groceries and I just got $140. I'm gonna go out to eat instead of getting groceries. My son can fend for himself.
So I guess now her son's on his own for dinner. He can
Got a
scramble
little
for
semi
us.
truck. We just had Hubba's going by, but
What's the restaurant?
that's about it.
Bagels. I've got donuts.
Like I said, we have no garbage trucks around town today. Either it's Advanced Disposal, WM, or Tri-County. I haven't seen any Tri-County.
So this is orange juice, cream cheese.
We should get Tri-County on the regular channel page next, on the Train Expert channel next week when we get to Western New York. Because we ended the trains at Western New York before I was under the weather. I got a premiere on that next week on the train channel.
Do you have any protein questions? I'm gonna give you some money for your birthday. You have any protein in here?
Or unless it's one of the weekends, but I think it's early next week it is, yeah.
Cereal, definitely not the basket that I'm looking for.
Alright, so you
So,
have reused last time.
alright, we've been around for almost 30 minutes, so this is going to be it for today for Jeffrey, the Train Expert on YouTube. Again, I gotta thank the Quality Inn for doing the trains, plus the Intermodal Wax Place, and the Oil Creek Plastics, and the Titusville Middle School for the trains today. So thanks for watching Jeffrey, the Train Expert on YouTube. We'll be back on. We'll see if there's going to be any train. We'll see what's going on Friday after the eye appointment. See if there's any trains. If not, we'll be on next Monday or next Wednesday. If not, we'll be on next week for more videos. But it's
The chicken nuggets would give some texture. Chefs, you have 30 minutes left.
we'll see what the schedule has for Friday. Might start in the afternoon.
Cooking competition and I need
We'll see if we're going to get anything Friday. If not,
extra what you pay. If you live in
we'll be on next week for more videos, or one of the weekends for the passenger
I think ground beef.
for the passenger train. If it probably have to be Saturday, because Sunday's supposed to call for scattered thunderstorms around the afternoon. So we'll probably be on if there's any trains Friday. If there is, after the eye doctor appointment, we'll go on. If not, we'll be on. If not, we'll be on next week or Saturday for the passenger event, for the passenger train. I haven't got a passenger train since the 28th of May, and that was a Saturday.
Everyday favorites. Quality.
Mostly, I got the passengers on a couple on Wednesday and Thursday,
We're celebrating 50 years of Buckeye Signature Chicken with a deal
and then
now for just $6.99. Takes
otherwise everything else has been Saturday.
72. Get 5 days while you can.
Includes the regular season runs,
Where does your home?
Memorial Day one. I got that, and I got the Santa Claus train was on. I got that on fall on a Saturday as well. So we're gonna get off. Thanks for watching.
If you could choose to be kind to
Thanks for watching. Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. Make sure, if you haven't already, subscribe to my Train Expert channel, also alongside my regular channel page as well. So everybody have a good day, and we'll see you on Friday if there's anything. Otherwise, we'll be on next week or Saturday for more videos, huh? Talk to you later.